Hello everyone, my name is Shyam and today we are going to solve the problem that is search an element in an array. So in this problem I have given an array of n integers and an element x that we need to find in the array, and we need to return the first occurrence of the element at which index that element is occurred first time. So if this element is not present in the array, so I can simply return the minus 1 because minus 1 element is not the part of the array index. So in this problem we can have array that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I need to find the 3 in this array. So what approach we are going to use? So in this problem we can simply check from the starting to end because he is asking from me that we need to return the first occurrence. So if I start with the first, so if there is an element is found, then I will return simply that the index of this element. So we are going to start with the starting of the array. So if I will check in this problem, I am going till the each element of the array till the end, and check if this element is equal to the target element. If it is equal, then I will return the index of this element, otherwise I will move to the next element. So I will start from the here and I will check if this element is equal to the target element. So it is 1, and 1 is not equal to the 3. So I will move to the next element, and now I will check if our 2 is equal to the 3, not. So I will move to the next element, and now I will check if 3 is equal to the 3. Yes, it is equal to the 3. So I will return the index of this element. So I'm going through the zero based indexing, and the index of this element is 0, 1, 2, 3. So index of this element is 2. So I will return 2. And if it is not available in the array, let us suppose a test case 3. So in this test case I have given an array that is 10, 8, 30, and the target element is 6. So in this array I need to find the element 6. If it is available in this array, then I will return the index of that element, otherwise I will return minus 1. So we are using the same approach, that we are going till the all element of the array and check if this element is equal to the our target element, then I will return the index of that element, otherwise I will return minus 1. So I will start from the first element. So I will check if this element is equal to the target element. So this is not. Then I will go to the next element and check if this element is equal to the our target element. Not. So I will go to the next element and check if this element is equal to the our target element. Not. So there is a no any element that is equal to the our target element. So I will return minus 1, and that will be my answer. So in this problem we are going through the all element of the array. So we are starting, can we use a loop in this problem because we are going through the all element of this array. So I can start a loop from 0 to 0 to length of the array, and check if this element is equal to the target element. So I will return the index, otherwise I will return minus 1 after searching in the whole array. So I can use an for loop to traverse the array because we are traversing the whole array. So I can use a for loop that I will start from the 0 and check until I is less than the array length. array length, and after that I will increase the index of the array. So element. So, and in this loop I am checking that if our current element, that will be the array of I, is equal to the target element, that is our x, and if this condition is true, then I will simply return that index, that will be our I, and otherwise I will do nothing, just increase the our pointer and check with the next element. So after searching in the whole array, like when we reached at the end of the array, so when we come out of the array, then I will return simply -1, because it means if I come from the out of the loop, so it means there is no any element that will be equal to the our target element. So what will be the base condition in this array? So if our element is equal to the 0, sorry, if our element length is equal to the 0, then I can return just -1, because if I am given an element that is can be range from the integer, range in the integer, and I am reversing in the whole array. But if there is a array, there is our array is empty, so I can just return -1, because if there is no element, then how can I find that element? So our base condition will be, if array length is equal to 0, then I can simply return -1, because we don't need to go to the whole code or execute the whole code. Then I can simply return -1. Now I will go with the time complexity and space complexity of this array. So I am traversing with the each element of the array. So I am starting loop from the 0 and going to the each element of the array. So we are iterating n number of times, because in this problem, if the array length is 4, so I am going to the first element and going to the first element, then second element, and then third element, and then fourth element in the worst case, because if 3 is found at this place, so I will return this index, and if it is not found at this place, so I will going through the each element of the array. So I can just our time complexity will be order of n in worst case. So our time complexity will be order of n in worst case, because I am going to the each element of the array, and our space complexity will be order of 1, because I am not using any external space. So, and the constraint of this array. So array size can be 10 to the power 6, and if I iterate in this size array, so it will take approximately 1 second. So it will be fine to iterate through the element of the array, and the array element can be from 0 to 10 to the power 6. So I will check in this array, because that is in integer range, and x can be from 0 to 10 to the power 5. So that is also in our integer range. So this code will absolutely work, and thank you for listening. Thank you.